Tesla spotted working on a new Cybertruck prototype, and the drone gets dangerously close. So this
Have you seen this video?
This might be Will's favorite subgenre of Tesla, which is the Tesla drone, which is this footage, which a guy or many guys or many people are able to get in Fremont by flying a drone over top the facility.
I just can't believe it. It's like it's open air, and then these guys or these pilots are just bringing up their drones and getting way close into like whatever they're doing at Tesla.
What do you think? Do you think that they should shoot these down or what?
Yeah.
Oh.
Every engineer here should have armed like I don't know, one of those electric drone
pulse.
Yeah. Those rifles or something.
So not just a shotgun or something?
But the nerve of this pilot here.
Yeah.
Like he's just
the nerve.
Like he's literally driving like on top of the truck.
Will is more offended than anyone at Tesla.
And like these poor engineers, like these guys are just like trying to fix the truck or whatever.
Yeah, it's not.
But look how close he gets. Like,
yeah, and the truck is not.
They don't seem bothered at all, which is kind of bizarre.
Look at that. What?
I think they're used to it.
Like, come on, just have a little bit of respect there.
So they're working hard. Oh, that guy's walking towards it.
Yeah.
He's not happy.
And what if the drone like falls or something? Just damages like a truck.
If you've been around them when they're buzzing near your face, it's a little bit intimidating.
Yeah.
And then they're working hard probably to make the Cybertruck here presentable, but at the same time, like they're getting photographed, filmed.
And imagine something just like broke. They're working on it, right?
It's frustrating.
It's just, and I would imagine that wouldn't be too good for like Tesla stocks and whatnot.
It's just a frustrating experience. However, people are so hungry for any updates on this particular vehicle that they will watch this, and we're talking about it. And so it's kind of inevitable that stuff like this will happen outside of them shooting a shot. Oh my God. Look at this guy's type, the name of his channel. Met God in Wilderness.
Yeah.
Actually, I have it's kind of like a little teaser for an upcoming story. This Cybertruck seems different. Yeah. Well, anyway, people are just so hungry for this thing. They're just very excited. And they're just very excited, Will.
I get it, but...
Well, they're excited, man.
It's just
he gets
disrespectful. That's all I have to say.
All right. He gets it.